Hi there, I'm Kelly Schwartz, and I wanted to share with you how much Aaron Marcus has helped me in my career and has been such an incredible mentor. I started acting and doing commercial print work about 5 years ago, and I came across Aaron pretty early on in my career. I initially set up a private consultation with him just so I could ask him all the questions I had about the business and career advice on getting started. He was a wealth of information. Pretty soon thereafter, I started to book a lot of roles on both TV and film and as a commercial print model. And I can definitely say that a lot of my success can be attributed to Aaron's guidance and advice. Over the years, I've also taken Aaron's workshop about how to break into the New York City market, as well as purchased his book, which is called How to Become a Successful Actor and Model, which is a great resource for performers at any stage of their career. Honestly, I just can't say enough great things about Aaron, and I highly recommend him as a valuable resource. Aaron is so personable, so genuine, and he truly wants to help you succeed.